keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. The Securities Commission Malaysia held a number of events in Penang as part of its efforts to increase investor education in the northern region as well as raise awareness on capital market financing opportunities. The highlight of the events is Bersama InvestSmart at Penang 2023, SC's flagship investor education fair, which is being held for the first time in the state. The three-day event from the 26th of May 2023 is aimed at promoting investor education and financial literacy to enable investors to make informed investment decisions and to avoid scams and illegal schemes. The Chief Minister of Penang, Chow Kon Yeow, officiated the opening ceremony of the event, which was held in Queensbay Mall. The event was also attended by senior state government officials and capital market and financial industry leaders. The event featured more than 35 exhibitors. They include FEN, Bursa Malaysia Berhad, FIMM, PPA and several financial and capital market industry players. Hong Kong's securities regulator will allow virtual asset trading platforms to serve retail customers under brand new guidelines scheduled to be released later this week. The move comes after the Securities and Futures Commission sought feedback on its proposed guidelines over a month-long industry consultation earlier this year. The SFC says it received 152 feedback from industry groups, professional and consulting firms, market participants, licensed corporations and other stakeholders, who generally welcomed the proposals. The guidelines will be launched on the 1st of June. Among other things, they cover safe custody of assets, segregation of client assets, avoidance of conflicts of interest, and cybersecurity standards and requirements for licensed trading platforms. In their fourth quarter of 2022 results announcements, Singapore's major banks revealed that their revenue was negatively impacted by low wealth management fees, thus causing lower than expected profits. Looking ahead to 2023, global data sees limited growth in risk on investments, keeping wealth management fee income depressed despite rising assets under management. Singaporean banking giants DBS, OCBC, and UOB all reported lower wealth management fee income in the fourth quarter of 2022. This was despite DBS and UOB recording higher client AUM in 2022 compared to 2021, while OCBC reported record net inflows. The capital market regulator's proposed review of the total expense ratio regulations of domestic mutual funds may result in listed asset managers' FY25 net operating profits dropping by up to 27%, according to brokerage Nuvama. The total expense ratio is the total fee mutual funds charge investors annually. The Securities and Exchange Board of India's proposal is expected to squeeze the profitability of these mutual funds as it wants fund houses to include securities transaction tax, brokerage, and goods and service tax into TER. It has also proposed changing how mutual funds charge investors the expense ratio. The overall impact of all these measures will hit their profitability. SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Book on 30 May asked the mutual fund industry to self-regulate and act against misdemeanor by individuals. If SEBI finds individual misdemeanor has gone unpunished by fund houses, the regulator will have no choice but to come down as a hammer, and that may impact the entire industry, she said. The biggest risk to mutual fund industry's growth is individual misdemeanor, Book said. Do what is right, not what is easy, was SEBI's chief's message to leaders of the fund industry. She was speaking at the inauguration of the new Office of Mutual Fund Trade Body AMFI. She asked the fund industry to regulate itself, else SEBI will have to step in. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, In the Grand Scheme of Things. Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. This edition features articles on the usage of social media for investment marketing, an introduction to vulnerable investors, as well as the recent Global Money Week. Download your copy today and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.